So in worked example 8, we're going to find the value of the unknown variable correct to 2 decimal places in this diagram. So the unknown will be my x. Oops. But I also note that I can't really read the units very well because this has been converted to slides. So I'm going to try and remind myself that these are centimetres. Okay, so for later on when I want to know that. Now looking at this triangle, it's highlighted for me in orange. So here's the right angle, which means this must be my C. And then I need to label my 2 short sides. Now this is a little bit of a tip. When you've got a unknown, an X that we want, name that one A. Okay, so this is my tip. Call the unknown, so call the X A. It makes your calculations a little bit easier. That's the only reason for it. It doesn't really matter. It's just a bit of a shortcut. So as per normal, we start with our formula. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Step 2, substitute. C is 12, A is X, and B is 10. 12 squared is 144. X squared is X squared. And 10 squared is 100. I know you're really good at your tables, so you would have gotten that right. Now, I'm going to want to get this X on its own, so I need to find a way to get rid of the 100. At the moment I'm adding 100. The opposite to adding 100 is taking 100. If I take 100 from there, I've got to take 100 from this side as well. So 144 take 100 is 44 equals X squared. And 100 take 100 is 0. I want to get X on its own, so I've got to square root. Got to square root this side. So X is going to be equal to the square root of 44, which, using my calculator, is 6.63, and then the next decimal place is a 3, which means I don't need to round it up, is 6.63. Now, this example has units, so it's really important that my final answer includes the units and also includes the rounding. So X is equal to 6.63 centimetres, and I let people know how much I rounded it. So I rounded it to 2 decimal places. Underline my final answer, and we're done.